They've only gone and done it again. Fuming. Fuming.
You're alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering.
Hi everyone, I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with another LUSH video where they have discontinued products, and I'm going to be reading the list of products they've discontinued, give you my thoughts, my opinions, and you get to watch me be fuming for like 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to be reading the list off of my phone. So the first item that is discontinued for this year is the Golden Handshake hand mask. Now originally for this video I was going to insert photos, but most things aren't online anymore, so I'm going to try and describe things as well as I possibly can. Some things I may not remember 100%, so if I get anything wrong, please do correct me in the comments. I find it really helpful, so let me know if I get anything wrong or anything like that. But the Golden Handshake hand mask is a hand on a stick with gold glitter on the end, and you essentially melt it in warm water and you rub your hands with it, let it sit for a while, and you rinse it off, and it's supposed to condition your hands, which I like the idea of. I think if you're a more mature person or you do suffer with dry hands, it is a nice treat, but personally for me, I never used it. I couldn't be bothered. I just use hand cream and then I'd be on my way, so I'm not really too bothered about that personally. Obviously if you guys are, I'm really sorry. The next item is the Softy foot lotion. Now again, another product I didn't really use. It was there when I worked there many years ago, so maybe they're just going to release something different. I'm not really sure. But personally, pink peppermint was always my fave and my number one, so Softy just didn't do it for me. Wasn't a good one. The next item is Foot Soak and Fancy Free, and again this is another item that came out when I worked there, and I was a bit like, I don't really see the point of this item. It's not really that great personally. I think it was more of a bath soak, foot soak even thing, so you put it in a bowl of water, put your feet in it and that kind of thing, but I just never did it. I never used it. It wasn't anything that I wanted to spend time doing, so I never bought one. So again, I can't really give my opinion on that, but if you loved it, again, I'm really sorry, but that is apparently going as well. Next up is an item which I am actually a little bit sad about, and that is the Scrub Body Scrub. This one smells like the Comforter. It's the black body scrub, and I remember my mum got this for Zoe. I think it was for her birthday or for Christmas, I can't remember, and we used it at the flat when we lived there, and the whole bathroom just went black, and I'm not gonna lie, that was a bit annoying, but the actual smell of it and the way it made your skin feel, so worth it. It was amazing, so I'm really sad they're getting rid of that, but you know, they have other options, I suppose. It's just not the same. The next item I'm fuming about. I'm absolutely livid. They are getting rid of Plum Rain shower gel. This has been confirmed, by the way. So all of these items are on a list I found online. I can't say it's 100% accurate, but they have confirmed that Plum Rain is going, and I'm absolutely fuming. If you've watched my channel for a while, you will know that Plum Rain is probably my favourite shower gel ever, like ever to exist. Ever, and they're getting rid of it, and I'm just fuming. I'm livid. I can't even get over it. I'm in mourning, so please don't talk to me for 3 to 5 working days, thank you. I'm only joking. Leave me a comment down below, let me know if you love Plum Rain as well, because I'm absolutely fuming. Next up is Goddess soap. Again, I'm neither here nor there. I don't even think I bought one. I can't quite remember. My mum might have bought one, but I've never used it. I'm not really a soaps kind of gal, like I just don't use hand soap. I have enough hand soap probably for my entire street to use, but I don't really tend to use solid soaps. It's not really my thing. I prefer a shower gel or a liquid soap or something, so not really so bothered about that one either. The next item is a deodorant, and this is the Governor deodorant, and again I think this was the green one in the powder, I think. Not really my kind of thing. Didn't really like it, so not really bothered about that one. The next item is Elbow Grease Moisturising Bar. Now this I actually really enjoyed. It was really good for brightening tattoos, healing tattoos, making your arms really soft and moisturised. So I'm a little bit sad they're getting rid of that, but hopefully they'll think of something else to bring out instead that can kind of replace it, if you know what I mean. Next up we have a massage bar, and that is Tender as the Night, and again neither here nor there. Don't really use it, to be honest. I can't really say that I loved it. I do like the smell of it, and I do have one, but it wasn't really my favourite. I think I liked it for a small period of time, but yeah, other than that, it just wasn't really my favourite thing. Next up is a shaving soap, and it is the D-Fluff shaving soap. I've mentioned this in videos. I do really like this item, so I am a little bit disappointed they're getting rid of it, but maybe they'll bring out something different, I don't know. The next item is the Rump Cheeky Balm, and that was the firming cream for your bum cheeks. And I think this item was like really good. The idea was really great, and I think that the whole idea of it was really different and unique, but I never really used it. It wasn't something I wanted to spend that much money on because it was quite expensive. So hopefully they'll think of something different. Again, I have no idea. The next item they're getting rid of is a bath oil, and that is Dreamtime. And I'm actually shocked about that because Dreamtime was there when I started working there back in 2013. I think it might have been. Oh my god, was it that long ago? No, surely not. Surely not. It must have been. I worked there for 3 years and I left about 3 years ago. Wow. That's crazy. But yeah, I don't know why they're getting rid of that because I did like that one, but never mind. So they're also getting rid of the 3 giant bombshell bath bombs, so fruity, sea salt and lavender. I don't really see people missing these so much because they are very expensive and they are massive, and I think they're quite impractical. Do you know what I mean? They're nice as gifts, but I think that's kind of where it stops for me. I probably would never buy one for myself, so I can see why they're getting rid of those ones. And all of the final items are bath bombs. So we have the Geo Fizz bath bomb, which for me, it just wasn't my favourite. It smelt rank, like I can't even describe it. It just smelled awful. It wasn't very nice whatsoever. I'm really sorry if you liked it, but it just wasn't my favourite. We then have the Magma bath bomb, which looked like lava, and again, scent wise just wasn't up my street, so I'm not going to miss that one so much. Then we have Moon Spell, which is the bath bomb that breaks in half and you have a moon on one side and then like a cutout of a moon on the other. I did really like that bath bomb, so that is a bit of a shame, but it wasn't one that I repurchased, so I don't know whether that tells you something about it. It just wasn't really that extravagant, if you know what I mean. You then have the Yuki High bath bomb, which I can't remember what one that was. I think that one looked very similar to Sakura. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it had like the little salt and sugar crystals on top. I can't quite remember, but I don't remember it being that extravagant either, so that's probably why they're getting rid of it. The next bath bomb they're getting rid of is Pirates of the Caribbean. Again, loved the look of this one. It was like a little treasure chest, but scent wise, disgusting. Absolutely vile. Then we have the Choco Mint bath bomb. Again, idea, love it. Scent wise, not so much. Just wasn't my favourite thing. I like sweet smells, floral smells, light smells, fresh smells. I don't like things like garden smells, dirt smells, bonfire smells, like that kind of vibe. So yeah, I didn't like that one either. And the last bath bomb is the Harajuku bath bomb, which I cannot for the life of me remember what it smelled like, but I think it was like a rainbow kind of situation. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I can't quite remember. But again, I didn't really use that one. It wasn't really one that I went and repurchased or bought loads of, so it wasn't really that memorable, so I can't really complain about that one either. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below if you've heard of any other rumours of products getting discontinued, or let me know of things in this list that you really, really love. I would love to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it would mean the absolute world, and I'd love to hit 10k subscribers this year, so please, please do. And also, don't be afraid to leave me any video requests down below because that makes me incredibly happy. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I shall see you very soon. Bye guys!